Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing an in-depth tutorial on cut creases. You guys will follow along with me through my intense blending. But yeah, this is just like a full-on in-depth tutorial. Like, I'm really gonna tell you guys like how to do it so you guys can do it yourself. So if you guys want to learn how to do a cut crease, keep on watching because I'm going to show you. I don't know why. Was I like preparing my finger guns? This is what it's come to. I am taking my Subculture palette today and I am going into the shade Edge. I'm going to take that shade and put it in my crease. Just using windshield wiper motions. For this part of the cut crease, I like kind of look up and like stab myself almost in my crease, so I know where that is. After I'm done with the part on my eyelid, I'm going to dip back into that color and then sort of bring it out. Next, I'm going to be going into the shade New Wave. I'm not really gonna blend this shade out. I'm just gonna stick it and let it sit. Next, I'm going to go into the shade Fudge. I am taking that on like a more angled brush so I can really get into my crease. First, I'm just gonna draw the line and worry about blending it later. Next, I'm going to go back in with that first brush and blend it out. What I like to do for cut creases is just really like go back and forth. If you go in more circular motions for like a cut crease, it can distribute the pigment where you don't really want it, so it's easier to just swivel back and forth. See how much like this eye is blended out compared to this side? This is how you want it. I'm going to be going back in with this shade, what is it called? Edge, and then just blend that out. Even when I'm just up here, I'm still just going back and forth. Next, I am taking my soft ochre paint pot and just taking that on a flat concealer brush. Next, I'm just going to be cleaning up my lid. After I'm done cutting out my crease, I am just going to take this shade, it's called Electric, and just put it down where I cleaned it up at. When I'm applying lid shades, I like to pat them on and not really swipe them because I feel like that takes away the pigment, so patting them on like makes them like, you know? I'm just gonna be adding a wing to this look. Okay, I'm not doing like my face today because I just really don't feel like doing my face, but I am going to be taking edge and sweeping it underneath my eye. And then I'm going to be taking fudge and sweeping it underneath my eye. Next, I'm going into my Anastasia Ultimate Glow Kit and taking the shade White Sand and just highlighting my brow bone and my inner corner. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this in-depth tutorial on this cut crease. I was gonna make it more natural, like not out of the green, but you guys could do whatever colors you want. You know, you don't have to copy mine. Like, do what makes you comfortable. I don't know why I had that like slight accent just then, but anyways. But yeah, you can do whatever colors you want. Like, you don't have to use the same colors I did. You can use blue, you can use all browns, you can use pinks, you can do a whole rainbow, whatever you want to do. It's your decision. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Feel free to give it a nice thumbs up, and I don't know why I was like thumbs up. But and subscribe to this channel, whatever you want to do. And yeah, that's all for me. Catch you later.